what is up guys? So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about the deals on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and also the deal on the Google Pixel 4, and that is the new one, to be exact, the latest Google Pixel. And for these deals both, you're getting $200 off, and I'm going to tell you guys where exactly you can go to get this deal. But before that, make sure you like the video, comment, and also subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. So let's get started with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 first. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is $200 off also, and also the Samsung Galaxy Plus, Note 10 Plus, is also $200 off, and you can get this on the Microsoft Store. You can get it at Amazon. Those are just the two retailers at the moment that are doing this deal for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. The deal is worthy of your attention because each phones come with a free set of Samsung Galaxy buds with the purchase. So I'm guessing that that's a pretty good deal. And here you can see clearly it is legit. So I'm on Amazon right now. So you're getting the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 factory unlocked. So you don't have to have a T-Mobile or Verizon or Metro or whatever. You can use it with any network provider. So you're getting the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 factory unlocked cell phone with 256 gigabytes, and that comes in after that deal. That comes in at $649, but it's saying that $749. I don't know what that is there something wrong there? But yeah, I think it should be $649 and not $749, or maybe I'm wrong, because yeah, maybe I'm wrong, or this is not up to date as yet. But it is legit that it's $200 off. And if you go on the Microsoft Store, you can see it is $749. So maybe it is $100 off and not $200 off. But the article I'm reading from is the Verge Deals, and it's saying $200 off. So maybe they are right, maybe they are wrong. I'm not sure, but you're getting a deal, plus you're getting some earbuds with this deal, so it's pretty much worth it. And the next deal is the Google Pixel 4. The Google Pixel 4 at 64 gigabytes, which is pretty good. And after you get that $200 off the Google Pixel 4, it comes in at $599, which you can round off to $600, which is a pretty good deal. And the sale includes a special edition of the also orange color. So just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, you're getting a Galaxy earbuds with the purchase. This one you're getting a special edition of the also orange color. So that's a cool color to have, and I guess that will make you stand out and be more unique. And you can get this deal at Amazon, Best Buy, and also B&H. So here on Amazon, you can clearly see that this deal is accurate. It said $200 off. First it was at $799, and now it's at $599. So this one is more accurate. So I'm guessing that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is actually $100 off and not $200 off. I could be wrong. Maybe the website is not up to date as yet, but I think it was a mistake in the article. My bad. Although it's not my article, it's the Verge article, but there was a mistake and I adjusted it. And let's move on now, guys. So that you can see it is $200 off the Google Pixel 4, and that's a pretty good deal, as I said. And you're getting that with the also orange color, a special edition. And here you can see then Best Buy, you can get it as unlocked, and it starts at $599, which is the $200 off. So a pretty good deal. And you can also get it at B&H Photo. So that's $599 also. But what I don't know is, are these deals in store or just online? Are these for Cyber Monday, or are these you can get these on Black Friday in the store? I'm not sure, but you can try, if there's a Best Buy near you or a B&H near you, you can go ahead and go in there and try and see if they have a deal there. I know Best Buy do like price matching. I'm not sure about B&H. So if you go there and say, hey, I see this phone online for this amount of money, I think they will price match it for you. So you can give that a try if you don't want to order it online. But if not, you can go ahead and order it online. As I said, this is a pretty good deal. I don't think it will get any better than this unless a new Pixel 5 come out, and then it's gonna get a discount. Well, not really a discount, it's gonna lose value. But otherwise, if you want to switch to the Google Pixel 4, I think now is the best time. And as you know, a lot of people always wait around this time, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, to get their top tech products. So like if they always want like a 32-inch TV or a 100-inch TV or whatever, or that wallpaper TV, now is the time to get it, because you get a lot of deals. And sometimes you get a lot of deals, and sometimes you get like just a $50 off, which is not that much, but I mean, it's a deal. It's still a deal. But as I said, I'm not sure if this is in store or this is just online. But with the Galaxy Note 10, when you purchase that, you get a Galaxy earbud. So if you don't want to get that Apple earbud, which I know Apple earbud can work with Android phones, but if you don't like Apple, like me myself, I don't like Apple for some reason. I'm just not a fan of them. But if you don't like them, then the Galaxy earbuds, I think, would be just right for you. So go get that Galaxy Note 10 and get those free earbuds, and go get that Google Pixel 4 and get that dope color that is limited and so special. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. Thank you guys for watching this video, guys, and I see you guys in my next one. Peace.